A surprise move in the USA, Spencer Rivkin joins Red's Racing Engines. Energy fuel for world champions Ronnefalk and Ongaro go with the Italian manufacturer. Neumann goes S-Works for 110 scale off-road, now a complete offer by S-Works for Jorn Neumann 1/8 scale and 110 scale. Brandon Rose will no more be racing in the USA in Nemo Racing Agama machines, thanking the team for the collaboration and the travels. Teswart Mugen ready for Padova. Seismic Racing, probably a new off-road tire coming soon. Team Losi Racing in the USA Racer Payout Program. Marco Barufolo will produce his own products. Baru RC is the brand name. Orca Electronics available and coming soon. It also seems that the German driver Jorn Neumann will be racing with Orca Electronics for 2023 to develop further the off-road line of products.